Guys, first of all, you guys see all these comments. Earlier, I used to get views. Now I am not getting any views. Please unfreeze my channel. A month ago, I was getting more than thousands of views. But now I am getting only 50 to 60 views, and guys, this is nothing. Similar comments are coming on my channel since the last 10 days. So, guys, are the views going down on your channel too? 0.23. Meaning earlier you were getting good views on your channel, but suddenly the views on your videos are going down. So guys, this simply means that your channel is slowly getting frozen, and many people's channels have already got frozen, but why? 0.40. Why is my channel getting frozen at all? 0.42. What do you do on your channel that your channel is getting completely frozen one after the other? So guys, first of all, let's understand this. So let me tell you that guys, only 4 mistakes are enough to freeze your good channel. That means if you do these 4 mistakes on your channel, then your channel will also get frozen. So guys, first of all, I will clear those 4 mistakes for you. That what are those mistakes that you do to which your channel gets completely frozen? And after that, I will teach you 3 such secret tricks by which you can freeze your frozen channel in just 10 days. What's the matter, sir? What's the matter, sir? 1.23. What's the matter? This is the matter. Hey, sir, what's the matter? 1.26. So first, let me tell you what are those 4 mistakes to which your channel gets frozen. Mistake number 1. What do you people do? Do you know you keep changing the category of your channel again and again? You people upload videos on your channel for 10 days, and after that, when the video does not get views, if you get views by adding +205 010 0200, then they change the category of their channel. Earlier, they used to upload gaming videos. Now they upload fact videos. Some people have started giving YouTube tips. If someone is blocking, then you also start blogging. That means you upload 20 to 50 videos on one category. And when the video does not get views, then they switch the category of their channel. They start managing their channel in another category. So let me tell you that this mistake can also freeze your channel. So you do not have to change the category on your channel again and again. At least try working on one category for 5 to 6 months. You will not get immediate results. Go to any category, it will take time. So this was our first mistake, due to which your channel can freeze. Second mistake, so friends, the second mistake is mostly made by these new YouTubers, and along with them, those whose channel is not monetized. They also definitely make this mistake, and after doing this, they get their channel completely frozen. And this mistake is that those people watch their own videos on their channel themselves. I mean that those people watch their own videos on their YouTube channel on their mobile, and by making this mistake, I say 100% that this can freeze your channel if you are watching your own video yourself. No matter for what reason you watch it. A lot of people watch their videos to check them. So let me tell you that you should also stop watching your own videos on your channel. If you watch them yourself, then stop doing this right now. There are 100% chances of your channel freezing because of this. Mistake free. Do you know what most people do in the third mistake? They start uploading mixed content on their channel. What do they do first? 337. For 10 days on their channel, 339. They work, and that too only in one niche. Meaning, they upload videos of YouTube tips for 10 days. They are getting 10 to 20 to 5,000 views. So what do? 348. The next day, they upload a blogging video. The next day, they upload a video on mobile settings. And the third day, they upload a roast video. So by uploading different mixed content on their channel, they make their channel completely rag to petty shot and then get their channel frozen. Let me tell you that if you are also uploading mixed content on your channel in the same way, then friends, 100% your channel will also be frozen, or your channel will also get frozen. What if you upload mixed content on your channel? 421. Because brother, your videos will not reach the right audience. Suppose today's video is about gaming, then it will reach the gaming people. So these are the gaming people. Now if you upload a video about vlogging tomorrow, will these people watch the video? 434. If you won't watch it, then that's why I am saying that you should not freeze your channel by uploading mixed content on your channel. Okay, mistake 4 is the fourth mistake. Almost everyone makes this mistake. They upload videos on their channel daily. They upload about 4 to 5 videos in a week. One day, one video got 50 views. The second day, the second video got 70 views. And on the third day, the third video got 10 views. Yes, but on the fourth day, the fourth video got 15 views. And on the fifth day, the fifth video got 10 views. What do such people do? 510. The people who have got 15 views on this video will delete this video. That means whichever video gets less views, these people delete those videos. And many creators make this mistake. So let me tell you that you should also delete your YouTube channel. But if you delete the video, then your channel gets frozen here. So you should never delete the video on your channel. So guys, these are the 4 mistakes which will freeze your channel. So you guys should not make all these 4 mistakes on your channel. Okay, so now suppose your channel has been frozen, then how will you unfreeze it? 549, that too in just 10 days. So let me teach you. Guys, if you want to unfreeze your frozen channel, then for that guys, you know there's something called consistency. So you have to maintain that thing. Let's understand this in detail on your channel. Now see if your content is such that you can upload a video daily, then upload it. You can definitely make a video in 1 day, so you upload, and in between you should not disappear for 2 to 3 days saying that today I don't feel like making a video. Hey, forget it. Make a video tomorrow. You don't have to do this at all. You have to learn to maintain consistency on your channel. Now if your content is such that you cannot prepare a video every day, that means 1 video of yours is made in 456 days. Then you upload 1 video every 5 days, 1 video every 4 days. But guys, you have to work with consistency on your channel. Your channel will be 100% unfrozen. So guys, in the second trick that I am going to tell you, you'll also have to do this to unfreeze your channel. Okay, so for this, first of all, you have to go to your White Studio today. And guys, now look down. Here it is written analytics. You have to click on it. Now guys, here you have to scroll a little up. Here is the top content of your channel, and here below you will also see some videos. So you have to work on this content again, meaning that you have to make videos on these contents again on your channel. Here you have to select the topic of all the videos one by one, and make a new video and upload it. Remember, make a new video, do not download it and upload it again, and this is because friends, this is the top content of your channel. These videos have received the most views on your channel. So all these videos are popular videos of your channel. Here this content is the popular content of your channel. Now to unfreeze your channel, you must follow trick 3 as well. Now look here, the views you are getting on your channel within the last 48 hours, the views you get from all these topics. Shoes are the topic, you have to work on that. If you do this, then I guarantee that you will see changes in your videos. Whatever you have learned in today's video, if you apply it on your channel, then 100% your channel will be unfrozen. I guarantee this. Okay, go ahead, unfreeze your channel. But if you want to create a new YouTube channel, then click on this video now and see whether you've done all those important settings on your channel or not. It is possible that you have not done important settings on your channel. That is why your channel is dead right now. So go and see. Will you do all this? I am going. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.